our back bar beer cooler with stainless steel top. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a total length of 57 inches, a depth of 24.5 inches, and a height with caster wheels, we have 38 3/4 inches tall. Minus the wheels, we have 36 inches. Caster wheels located on the bottom of the beer bar back cooler with brakes on the left and right caster. Dual swing doors with each door measuring 23 7/16 by 32 inches in height. Coming to the inside are 4 adjustable shelves, 2 located on the left and 2 to the right. Measurement for each shelf will include 21.5 inches in length by 19 inches in depth. Overall length with the left and right shelf combined in one continuous row, we have 43 3/4 inches in length. Interior height of the beer bar back cooler will include 32 inches in height. Located on the top right column is the e-tail certification for this unit. Also included will be a pair of keys, so whenever this beer cooler is not in operation, keys will lock this unit. Coming to the left lower column is the temperature controller. Please note that the stainless steel is covered in film and can be peeled off. Last but not least, this beer bar back cooler runs on a 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.